Hello! In this video, we will show you how to connect Spooky2 Hand Cylinders, TENS pads, TENS Connect Kit, and internal electrodes. First, let's introduce the accessories we'll be using in this video. This is XM generator, 5-volt power supply, USB cable, TENS cable, Spooky2 Boost, Spooky2 TENS Contact Kit, Spooky2 Stainless Hand Cylinders, Spooky2 TENS Pads, Spooky2 TENS Internal Electrode. Use the USB cable to connect the generator to a computer. Then connect the power adapter. Next, connect Spooky2 Boost to the generator. Twist the ports on the boost to lock the connection. Then, connect TENS cable to the high power port of the Spooky2 Boost. If you want to run a safe, low-power contact session, you can connect to the colloidal silver port. Now, I will show you how to connect Spooky2 hand cylinders. You can see there is a hole in the hand cylinder. Connect the TENS cable to the hand cylinders. Use either color of TENS cables to connect them. The color doesn't matter. You hold the hand cylinders to receive frequencies. Next, I connect TENS pads. There is also a hole in the cable of TENS pads for the connection. You stick the pads on your body to receive frequencies. For TENS Contact Kit connection, I will take the silver gloves as an example. First, I will attach the white cable to the glove, like this. Then you can use TENS cable to connect it. The color doesn't matter, and you can use either black or red. You can put on the gloves like this to receive frequencies. For TENS internal electrodes, we recommend using the safe lower power colloidal silver port. If you want more power, then you can use the high power port. There are two ways to connect TENS internal electrodes. The first is to connect both electrodes to the TENS cable. The treatment is between the electrodes. If you need more treatment area, you can connect one cable to the TENS internal electrode and the other to connect the TENS pad. We have a specialized preset for TENS internal electrode. Now, we turn on the generator. For example, to help with diarrhea, I put TENS pads on my belly. Then, I launch the software. Choose Shell, Empty, Preset. Contact Dealing CJW. Go to Programs tab to search Diarrhea programs. Select and double-click on the program you prefer. Then, go to Control tab. Click Overwrite Generator and choose a generator to run them. Thanks for watching this video.